This homemade chicken souvlaki recipe takes you to the streets of Athens. You simply cannot visit Greece without experiencing souvlaki. It's a major Greek street food and happens to be one of my favorites. Souvlaki is a popular fast food that is cooked on skewers. It historically dates back to the Bronze Age. Souvlaki can be eaten straight from the skewer or on pita bread. You can also use other meats like lamb, pork, beef, or goat. I use about 2 pounds of chicken and cut into small pieces. Then I marinate overnight in olive oil, lemon juice, white wine, oregano, rosemary, paprika, salt, and pepper. Now you're ready to thread the chicken pieces through the skewer. I like to pre-soak my skewers for about 30 minutes. Make sure to grill all 4 corners of your chicken. And it's also good to throw some lemons and your pita bread on to heat those up as well. Now before we can do any assembling of the pita, we got to start with a little ouzo. Oompa! Now we're ready to assemble our grilled chicken souvlaki pita. First, I like to squeeze a little of the grilled lemon juice over it. Next, you're ready to add the fixings to the pita. First, I like to start out with homemade tzatziki. This is an intense and creamy tzatziki with 4 main star ingredients: Greek yogurt, English seedless cucumbers, garlic, and dill. And then I'll add a little romaine lettuce, a little tomato, and a little bit of red onion. And now you're ready for your chicken souvlaki skewer. What I like to do is squeeze the pita and then just slightly, gently pull the skewer right out. And finally, I like to take a little bit more tzatziki and add it right on top. Now you can serve this with any style Mediterranean salad. Here I'm using a couscous salad with diced tomatoes, cucumbers, black and green olives, and feta. Makes for a great pairing. Doesn't this look just awesome? Now before I dig in, this calls for another Greek Ouzo celebration. Oompa! For more worldly recipes like this, give me a follow on my YouTube channel. Thanks, y'all.